We're planning on a 7th-month deployment, but we have the inherent flexibility that we could go home in a month, we could extend for a year, we could go through the Suez Canal, we could go anywhere on the globe that we're ordered to.
As I mentioned earlier, we're here to demonstrate our continuing commitment to our partners and allies in the region, and we are also conducting operations in support of Operation Inherent Resolve. We began that on May 3rd.
And that's just to give their
I think deployment forces us to be a unit, and what we do is we rely heavily on each other, and we become a real family, actually. That's what deployment does. It creates lasting memories, lasting friendships, and families.